from Bangalore.
You're riding
So
from Bangalore.
yeah, by bike. So yesterday we stay at the Gombo Ranjan, right? So there the people told that if you are staying in the Gombo Ranjan, that is a spiritual place. So you have to come to this monastery.
Oh, they made it mandatory for you. Okay. No, I
So
came out of my own interest.
okay.
I actually we had an event with
So
Mahindra
I am
Adventure.
recording your video. So
Oh.
can I put it on YouTube if you
Yes.
agree? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hi. So your name?
I'm Dhanya.
Dhanya. Hi Dhanya. So you are on this track from last like.
No, I came with Mahindra Adventure.
Okay.
And then I continued my journey.
Okay.
My husband is still walking and coming. I don't wait for anyone, so I just I'm continuing my.
Okay.
Someone down told me that this is a very beautiful place and it's
Yeah,
1400
yeah,
years
yeah.
old. So I thought then it must be having good energy.
Yeah, it's like whatever the building you are seeing that their floor is made up of wooden only.
Oh.
They have the wooden stick and on
Okay.
top of it they put the stone and they made the floor. So
Oh,
it's
wow.
complete organic.
And it's 1400 years old. That's
Yeah.
like surprising. Who would think of coming here?
Uh,
Even this road is not enough. I don't know. Then how did they cut?
Correct. We are
Exactly.
suffering now only, right?
Exactly. I don't know how it is going. It was then.
1400 years before, how they came and built this.
How
kind
they
Ah.
came? I think they just followed the river and they came. That's what
but
it looks.
still there is no way to cross this river. They crossed the river and they came this side and they reconstructed
They
everything.
constructed something.
Yeah.
I'm
We
surprised.
constructed, yeah. It's
Yeah,
awesome here.
that's
Construction
awesome.
is awesome. Yeah.
So I mean, the very fact that this attracted me was it was 1400 years
Mhm.
old. So I thought, let me come and meditate.
Okay, fine.
Thanks, bye.
Thanks. Yeah, bye bye. तो उतरने वक्त एक ट्रैवलर से मुलाकात हो गया था. थोड़ी देर उनसे हम लोगों ने बात किया. हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों ही ट्रैक कर रहे हैं. मैडम पहले आ गई एंड हस्बैंड पीछे ही रह गया. तो ये है व्यू यार. इट्स अ 1500 ईयर ओल्ड मोनास्ट्री और इसी के लिए सब लोग आ रहे हैं. कैसे इन्होंने इतने रिमोट एरिया में पूरा ये मोनास्ट्री बनाया, कैसे आए होंगे. स्टिल देयर इज़ नो रूट. आप देख सकते हो अभी का रास्ता कैसा है. एक सीनियर लामा से बात किया, वो 15 ईयर से यहीं पे रह रहे हैं. बच्चे को लेकर आए हैं, उसका स्कूलिंग सब कुछ बुद्धिज्म स्टाइल में होगा. एंड देन ही विल बिकम द लामा. लक्ष्मण सर, इसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है? एक मिनट रुको, थोड़ा मेरे को सामने आने दो तब तो बोलूँ मैं. हाँ अब बोलो. अब आप ये बताओ कि द वे ही हैव टेकन द स्मॉल चिल्ड्रेन, like do you believe like if somebody told me to leave your child
Yeah.
to this lama, will we do that? No, never we will do that.
We don't have that
आप
much chance, yeah.
आप समझो जो माँ बाप ने अपने बच्चे को इस मोनास्ट्री को दिया होगा, कितने करेजियस रहे होंगे
Yes.
और कितने बड़े दिल के होंगे. हैट्स ऑफ है उन लोगों के लिए जो अपने धर्म के लिए, धर्म को बचाने के लिए कुछ तो कर रहे हैं. अच्छी बात है, करना भी चाहिए और हर किसी को करना चाहिए. 1500 साल पुराना ये मोनास्ट्री और ये रास्ता देखो, है ना लक्ष्मण सर? थोड़ा
To imagine that's like 15 years, 100 years before.
how did they come there? Like now the BRO has made the road and we are coming till here. So just imagine if there is no road of 4.5 kilometers, we didn't came to this place. Obviously we didn't came. Road था इसलिए आया. And like that entrance they had made it like 2 kilometers back there only. So we thought like okay, this is the entrance. But वो entrance था नहीं, वहाँ से भी अपने को ट्रैक करके आना पड़ा. ये है Fukhtar Monastery. हाँ हाँ, दे आर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग. अब तो एटलीस्ट बहुत आराम हो गया होगा कंस्ट्रक्ट करने में. इमेजिन करो जब उन्होंने बनाया होगा कितना मुश्किल होगा. हम लोगों ने दूसरा रूट ले लिया क्या?
I think
लौटने
we have
वक्त
to go that way.
इट्स नॉट दिस रूट. चलो देखते हैं.